Okay, so probability so how about define and theory? Define what is probability? Hmm? Probability is chances of something happening, or somebody can say probability is likelihood of an event happening. That's what you call probability is. And then probability in a scale. Just go look. So probability is 0, null probability is 0,5, null probability is 0,75, null probability of 1. Okay? So probability of 0 around it. Impossible. That thing, it won't happen. Probability of 0,5 meaning is half. Right? So which means is you can just likely even. Likely even is there. You can find it. That's other side or on the other side. And then Rabale probability of 1. Probability of 1 meaning is possible. Or we can say is certain. Probability of 75, 75% is likely. Likely even is likely, is certain, is impossible. Probability of if that is at 0, which is impossible. Dice. What is the probability of getting 7? Or roll dice. Roll dice. Let dice go 1 up to 6. No, 1 over 6. Eh? 1 over 6. What is the probability of getting 7? Hey, dice. Little 1. Little 1 of getting 7. I can really sample base 6. It's impossible. So it's impossible. It's 0 out of 6. You can't get 7 from the die. What is the probability of getting even number? 2 over 6. Huh? 2 over 6. With 3 over 6, which is 50%. Okay? What numbers? Now, so the probability by definition is the event over sample space in simple terms. the event over sample space. So event equal like probability of getting an even number. Event is 3 out of the sample space. The sample space is around everything, out of everything, which is 1 over 2. Okay. Normally, mutually exclusive. Exclusive. Mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive. It means it's independent. What does it mean? An independent event is what it must be mutually exclusive. An independent event is is mutually exclusive. Because mutually exclusive, this thing, sample space, this thing are they excluded to each other. The word mutual means things working together. These ones, they are not working together. They are excluded, disjoined. Mutually exclusive, they are disjoined, excluded from each other. Mutually exclusive. Really, if you go Panardorigi, mutually inclusive. One or not mutually exclusive. If it's not mutually exclusive, it means it's inclusive. So the probability of A and B really not okay. Let's start with if it's mutually exclusive, probability of A and B. If it's mutually exclusive, probability of A and B.
Probability of A
Adukopani.
plus.
What is the meaning of this thing?
Multiplier.
Eh?
Multiplier.
This is intersection. It actually means intersection. Intersection again. Kimori around Yakopa, like I already graph they intersect. Kora really Yakopa. No, Yakopa. What I mean intersection. Iraro Wakopa na fao. Intersection error wakopa. Now, here is akopane. The probability of A and B. Error kubuga. Adikopane.
6.
Eh? It's 0. I want to go back. No. If it is exclusive, I want to go back. No, Rachel. It's 0. Probability of A and B. Sometimes the probability of this is 0. If it is not, if it is not mutually exclusive, the probability of A and B is not equal to 0. There is an intersection between the two events. Probability. Okay. The general okay, formula for probability. The probability of A or B equals to the probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B. Why about minus? Because look at this. Okay? If you can this, okay? Mo ke mo go le intersection, ke mo go le and mo. Probability of A or B, around everything. What it means, every or B, it refers to this. So probability of A or B already is e bolela ka A le B. Include this center. So the solid more formulating it means probability of A and B. The solid because already probability of A or B is e bolela ka tsona ka moka ga tsona. In actual fact, it's supposed to be like this. Probability of A or B equals to probability of A plus B, which means A. But now, the intersection. Like A include the intersection, B include the intersection. So I need to take away probability of A and B. That's the general formula and probability. Now, probability can be independent. Independent, but they are exclusive, mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive, independent. So come on, more minus. So okay, anyways. Independent for independent event, independent event. The probability of A of A and B equals to the probability of A multiplied by the probability of B. This specifically talks about independent event. Independent event area. Probability of A and B equals to the probability of A times probability of B. So come on, from the general, that is the probability of A or B equals to the probability of A plus probability of B minus mungabiamo. I can put probability of A and B equals to probability of A times probability of B.
Okay.
So ngabia probability of A multiplied by probability of B. This is for independent event. So abagari, if the event is mutually exclusive, mutually exclusive, it's going to be zero. So come on, the probability of A or B equals the probability of A plus probability of B. Right, man? In our formula, probability. Only two formulas. You can question it. What is the question? Yo, Paladin Yanso. And then also you receive a probability. Normally, okay, we've got the independent. Normally, complementary events.
P of A equals to P not A.
So it means the probability of A. I agree probabilities for your open time. If it started from 0 up to 1 again. Now, the probability of A is equal to 1 minus probability of not A. Why about not A?
1.
Yeah,
No.
it's 1 minus.
No.
Probability if I like 1. Everything if I like 1. What does it mean? If this thing okay, I've got a sample space like this. Ne? The probability of getting an even number, ne? Even number. Agree, reach again.
2.
Okay.
2 for 6.
3 over
6.
3 over 6. Again, the probability of getting an even. Now, the probability of getting an even number is equals to 1. Because 1 in out of 6, 100% of them. 100%. Or you can say 6 out of 6. Have you not seen that? 100%. Minus what is not even. What is it that is not even?
3.
3. So come on, Jomangari. What is 3 out of what?
6.
3 out of 6. So it's 3 out of 6. So what will be the final answer here?
18 minus.
No. One king. Not only one LCD. Why also do 18 minus? Because it's 1. 6.
6 minus 3.
It's 6 minus 3, which is what? 3 out of 6. Is this not the same as this one? Okay, finish.